Hey, habari zenu, Gen Z family. Welcome to Mental Generations. Today is one of those days that I'm just excited about doing this video. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but let me not bore you with all of that background, okay? Are you sitting there with a degree but, or basically not a degree but feeling like the job market is a riddle you just can't solve? It's like a mismatch of things. Are you hearing the whispers that AI is going to take all your jobs? Jobs that you haven't even got yet? That's scary, right? Well, listen closely. In 2026, the goal sio tu kusekiwa hiyo degree. The goal ni kusekiwa the whole bag, yani the whole package. Ya kwamba ujue ni nini utaweza fanya with what you already have kutumia AI, alright? Hiyo AI ni maogopo, hiyo ni scary, hiyo kutumia kufanya nini, how to do kenye inaendelea. So I'm giving you the strategic playbook. This is serious. This is a very important video, specifically designed for African context, Kenyan context to be specific. We are moving from fear to authority, and you need to hear this. But guys, ngoja kidogo kwanza. Before we dive into the secrets of becoming an AI powerhouse, please do me a favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. If you have subscribed, a massive thank you. You don't want to be left behind while the rest of the world levels up. So let's get into it without wasting time. All right. So this is our roadmap. We aren't looking at 2024 or 2025. Iyo imeenda. We are looking at 2026. All right. The guide is about one thing. Moja tu. AI Career Authority. This title sounds very, very intentional and very timely. We are shifting the mindset from being job seekers to being strategic assets. That is it. Okay? Because the person you're competing against is the one sitting next to you in that office, or that other, or the cohort of students that you graduated with, or that friend of yours, or whoever. But it's the person. It's not the machine. Type in the prompt. My goodness. That is outdated. You are still in 2024. To be unshakable in 2026, you need a high-value orchestration. In my other video, I mentioned being not just an enthusiast, but an architect. Be an architect of your own CV. Make sure unaweka hiyo kitu mzuri kwa ile prompt, because an output in ChatGPT, for example, or any LLM is basically as strong as the input. So your prompt or your input, what you type in kwa ile box yenye una type in kuiambia what to do for you, it needs to be strong. So what are we saying? Check your skills. If you're doing basic data entry or standard coding your syntax, you're at risk. If you move into data storytelling and creative decision and high-stakes negotiations, why do I keep saying negotiations? Nisamee kwa hiyo, una make sure that you will be future-proofing your skill. Of course, until things change, na tutakuwa tunaangalia trends pia, tutasema tu kama hiyo pia tunafaa kuchange pia. So no worries, okay? And AI provides the syntax, you provide the strategy. Hizo ni vitu haziwezi. You know, ukweli. And are you finding value in this video, by the way? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you haven't yet joined the Mental Generations family by subscribing, guys, please do so. Because we are building a community of youth, job seekers, people globally who are going to lead in the global tech space. Even just at entry level alone. And then they grow with it. Oh my goodness. That will bring me joy. If I hear people implement this and come back to the comment section and tell us and share with the rest of us, that is what makes me happy. So, let's proceed. Playbook number 3. Target the 2026 growth industry. We have green tech and agri-tech. We have the creative commerce. We have remote global services. These are huge. These are huge. Where should you focus is the question. Don't fight the current. Just swim where the tide is rising, okay? Use AI to solve Kenyans' food security problems, all right? Stop just influencing. If you're a content creator, listen to this. Stop just influencing. Start building products using AI for supply chains. If you don't know what to do, just ask ChatGPT for ideas and make it, contextualize it, make it specific to that particular space where you want to do that. It will bring you some ideas that you can try out, but again, confirm with verifiable sources, because research is very important, and your sources are important, just as important. In fact, they are very, very important. Muhimu sana. Oh, and remote. Oh my God, remote global services. This one is, woof, the big thing. The digital nomad. There are even countries that are giving visas based on you having an established remote job that pays you a certain amount of money. They just be telling you, hey guys, please come. We're going to give you a visa just as long as you're going to stay in our country and, pay taxes here and, build this economy. We don't mind you doing your online job. Germany does it. Europe does it. Italy, and more. Remote. The world is your office, guys. It's no longer, don't localize your thoughts. Sorry, what I meant to say is that in your approach, be global. Think broadly. The world is your office. I know they say the world is they always say the world is your office. It's your office. Okay? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. All right? Now, innovation on the ground. Creative commerce. Move beyond influencing to building actual products. And again, like I said, green tech and agri-tech, use AI to solve real problems like Kenyan food security challenge and energy challenges. Get ideas, please. Don't just stop from here. Action it. Okay? Then, the global Kenyan advantage. Use AI to bridge language barriers and time zone gaps seamlessly. These are just examples. You can localize this for you to fit whatever, And this is my favorite part, because the global Kenyan or the global African, you can sit in a city, in your country, in Africa, and manage a company in Singapore. That is brilliant, right? Just the thought of it. Taylor, make this work. Yes, it can. We know the youth are the future, right? And I believe that future is here. So just grab it and go. Playwright 4. We write the timeline. This is the era of micro credentials, guys. It is the era where you can even do a certification on Coursera, on edX, or Udemy, in AI prompt engineering or digital ethics. It is worth more than a 4-year degree with a syllabus from 2018. They just don't fit. And I'm not saying you don't do your degrees. Please do them. But at the same time, have some current, quick courses, short courses here and there. Gather them. That is what will give you a very good and strong digital portfolio. The employer akiona hiyo, oh my goodness, anasema tu huyu, this one knows what they be doing. Okay? And I know what I'm saying is not common knowledge. It is actually very revolutionary and radical. I get it. But it's the truth, unfortunately. Things have changed. People are doing skill stacking, and they're moving up the ladder quickly. Do the same. Why not you? Authenticity is your currency, as I always say. Don't let AI push the Kenyan you out of work. Your unique voice, your local insights, and your ability to solve specific problems are what make you indispensable no matter where you find yourself working, whether in the global space or within your local environment. It's your authenticity that should stand out, basically. Okay? The reason is you're the CEO and AI is the intern. So the new hierarchy, make sure you keep it at that. Stop asking if you're qualified. Start asking how you can use the intern, Mr. and Mrs. AI, to solve the problem for the company. Be very creative. Solve problems, guys. And so, in 2026, the most successful Gen Z won't be the ones with the best grades, but the ones with the best prompts and the biggest hearts. I leave it at that, guys. This was a very long video, 20 minutes for listening, but I had to say that. So the playbook is in your hands. I've given it to you freely. The question is, will you use it? 2026 is coming, whether you're ready or not. Let's choose to be the ones leading the charge. Sisi ndo tukue tunaongoza katika kuendeleza maisha yetu kutumia AI. If you enjoyed this deep dive, by the way, please like the video and share it with your friends who need to hear this message. Comment below with the word ready if you're going to start using AI to secure your bag today. I'm Teacher